Hello friends, welcome to How to Videos YouTube channel. Today we will discuss how to take screenshot on your MacBook using keyboard shortcuts. So basically there are three methods on taking the screenshot. The first one is to take screenshot of your entire screen. The second one is to take a portion of your screen. And the third one is to take a screenshot of the windows or menu. We will also discuss where this screenshot is getting saved by default and how we can change the default location. To take a screenshot of your entire screen, all you have to do is press Shift Command and 3 on your keyboard. Then the screenshot will be taken as seen here and it will be saved into your desktop by default. And to take a screenshot of a portion of your screen, you can just hit Shift Command and 4. Then this crosshair will come and you can just select a portion of your screen. So like here, if you just select just this portion, and this will be saved into your desktop. Take a screenshot of a window or a menu. What you can do is press Shift Command 4 and spacebar. For example, if I have to take a screenshot of this particular news window, I'll click on Shift Command 4 and spacebar, and then this camera icon will come. So I can just click on, if you can see now here that this being selected, so just click here and yeah, you can see in the background it's getting created and it's getting saved into the desktop. And similarly, if you want to take a screenshot of a menu, just again Shift Command 4 and spacebar and just hover your mouse over this portion. Yep, so now you can see that the screenshot is again taken. If you want to change the default location of where the screenshot is getting saved into, you can easily do that by going into the screenshot app. So what you can do is that click on this search button, which is Spotlight Search, and click on Screenshot app. So when it comes, so you can see the options here. So click on here and now you can see the save to. So by default it is set as desktop. So now you can easily just change it to documents or any other location you specify. I hope you found this video informative. For more such videos and tips and tricks, please do like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.